This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your whipped cream stiff. We'll cover essential techniques and ingredients to ensure your whipped cream holds its shape beautifully. You'll learn about the importance of temperature, the right type of cream, and how to incorporate stabilizers for lasting firmness. Let's get started on achieving that perfect, stable whipped cream. Keeping everything cold is crucial for stiff whipped cream. Ensure your heavy cream is thoroughly chilled, ideally for several hours. Also, place your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for about 15 minutes before you begin. This cold environment helps the fat in the cream emulsify more effectively, leading to a much firmer result. Selecting the correct cream is vital. Opt for heavy cream with a fat content of at least 36%. This provides the structure needed for stiffness. For sweetness and a little extra body, add about 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar per cup of cream. You can also incorporate a small amount of cornstarch or cream of tartar as effective stabilizers. Begin whipping your cold cream on a medium speed, slowly increasing to high. Watch carefully as the cream thickens. You want to stop whipping when it forms medium stiff peaks that hold their shape but are still smooth. Over-whipping can quickly turn your beautiful cream grainy or even into butter, so pay close attention to the texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.